a chutney curry egg.
Yes, please.
So a dozen yolks in one bowl, and with all of my stuffed egg recipes, well, most of them anyway, a little bit of grated onion or a grated shallot down in the bowl, grate it directly over the bowl, put this right over the bowl so that the juice falls in there. That's the secret ingredient that makes it delicious. In this egg, instead of mayonnaise, we're using some Greek yogurt for tang and to stand up to the power of the curry. I make my own curry blend at home, but of course you can use Madras curry or any mild store-bought blend of curry powder. And I go with 2 good palmfuls, or about 2 tablespoons of curry powder per dozen eggs. So that goes in.
Great color too.
It gives it great aroma, great color, but it's not taking it kind of too far. Nice. Then we're going to grate in ginger root. So we're gonna grate in about 1 inch of ginger per dozen eggs. And a fat clove of garlic, which when you put it over this small fine grater, it turns it into garlic paste, so you're not chomping down on big bits of garlic. And then we're going to add a little bit of mild heat with a Fresno chili pepper. Fresnos look like little red jalapenos. This is a very mild, fruity heat. It's not too spicy at all. And then we're going to put in our chutney for sweetness. Couple of fat spoonfuls of mango chutney.
Yum.
So it's a little sweet, little savory. And then of course it's deviled. You have to add a little mustard. You can use, I like yellow for the bright color for this dish, or you can use Dijon if you prefer. And a little splash of hot sauce. Little or a lot, whatever your family takes. Salt over the shoulder for luck, a little black pepper. And then a little bit of finely chopped green onion. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Mix this all together. And then you just coarsely chop all of your whites instead of filling each egg individually. And you just mix this all together and throw it in a bowl.
Nice.
Now,